Hello pupils. Today we will talk about computer parts. I mean, what does a computer consist of? And we will also discuss on their functions. This is the monitor. So what can we do with the monitor? The monitor allows us to view or to see the work we are doing on the computer. For example, if the person is watching a video on YouTube, like you can see, therefore what will he or she see on the monitor? She will see or he will see the video which he or she is playing. This is the keyboard. You can see in the shape cloud there is a picture of a keyboard. So why do we use our keyboard? We use the keyboard to type and give instructions to our computer. For example, if I have to type a sentence, I will press on either alphabet keys or number keys. This is the mouse. So what can we do with the mouse? We can move around the screen of our monitor, or we can click on an object found on the screen of our monitor. This is the system unit. Another name for system unit is CPU. So what can we do with our CPU? The first function or the first thing that we can do is to put a CD in the CPU. For example, if we want to watch a movie that is present on the CD or to transfer a file to the CD, we must put the CD in the CPU. Next, we can insert a pen drive, or we can say plug the pen drive to our CPU. Why? We can transfer our work onto our pen drive. We can transfer it to our pen drive. That's why we plug it in the CPU. Next, we can also switch on, but most of the time we switch on our computer by pressing the power button found on our CPU. And also the last function that we can do. We can also plug our headset or headphone into this hole. If we want to hear the music only for ourselves, we can plug in a headphone or headset. These two, this one and this one together, forms part of the speakers. So, why do we use a speaker? We use it so that we can listen to the music we are playing on our computer. If we want to listen to the music being played on our monitor well, so we can connect a speaker to the computer. This is a printer. So why do we use a printer? We use it so that we can print or remove a copy of a picture or any document we want. If we want a picture or a document on paper, therefore, we must print it using our printer. Now that we have looked at each part of the computer, you can fill in the blanks with its corresponding name. So let's work it together. The first one here, this is the monitor. Therefore, I bring it here. This is the monitor. Secondly, this is what? The mouse. This is what? This is the keyboard. And this is the system unit. Or we can say CPU. This is the printer. And the last one is the
speakers. Well done.